closed. 20 headed eastbound. Starting just after 285. The left lane is closed. Let's see what happens up here. So closed before Wesley Chapel. Eastbound. Yeah, Rooney. Alright, well, that was fast. So from 285 to Wesley Chapel, the left lane is closed. Let's see if it's closed up here also, near Panola. Can't see what they're doing westbound. The lanes are in. Let's see if they have more lane restrictions up ahead. Well, look how we're packed in, coming in from Panola to Wesley Chapel to 285 on 20 West, over the barrier there. You can see the tops of the cars and trucks in the opposite direction of me, off to the left. Look how bumpy the road is, baby. We're in transition here. Some parts are smooth, some parts are not. Then lane shifting and all of that, different surfacing and so forth. Usually some kind of crash over in this area, one way or the other, in the morning, in the afternoon, and midday. And that's part of why, because it's not just a straight through. You got construction, you got lane restrictions, you got uneven pavement, uneven road surface, lane shifting, you know. Shift to the left, shift to the right. It's all for the greater good. You know what it is. Howsoever, can cause some issues. So this left lane's getting by so fast. I might want to say they're right. Yeah, left lane closed again, and we got to get over. But we shall see. We shall see, Shantwe. Hey, hi, how are ya? Stephanie Stallworth, ATL Traffic Lady. We're out on the East Freeway, heading eastbound. I-20 eastbound, past Wesley Chapel, before Panola Road. So we're fully loaded here. See if there's construction. Will be construction up here in the left lane near Panola. We're almost there, but can't quite see ahead of all these tall vehicles ahead of us here. So we'll just wait for the big reveal. How's everyone doing today? It's overcast out here. 69 degrees, going on 70 at 11:04 a.m. on a Thursday morning. Today, March 5th, 2026, 3/5/2026. So a little stop, a little go, a little stop, a little go. As traffic reports, it's important to ride in the backups. Get the feel of it again, but trust you me, we don't want to ride in the backup. I'd rather talk about it than be in it. Any day, I promise you, any day. Let's see, how does it sound? Here's how it sounds. Sounds of traffic. Yeah, this left lane keeps zooming by. It makes me think the left lane's closed up here. And those other two lanes had to absorb all of this left lane traffic. That's why they're a little slower, but we'll see if I'm right or not. Time will tell. Time will tell. Well, we're at Panola. Panola overpass right up ahead there. See in between those vehicles there. That's the Panola exit ramp off to the right. back up. So let's see. What say you? Left lane closed, right lane closed, center lane closed, middle lane closed, construction, crash, stall, vehicle fire, debris, or just nothing. It could be any of the above or all of the above when we encounter a delay. There's always a reason for it. Even if it's just people slowing down, take a look at things like a paper delay. So, you know, we're going to see here. There's all the big rig sounds. In case you never have to get on the road, right next to me there. In case you never have to get on the road and you forget what the sounds sound like, there it is. Alright, well, we just passed Panola Road overpass. Let's see what we have up here. The right and center are left and center are getting by faster now. Not sure what's happening on the right, so we'll see in a minute. We're scooting along here. Maybe because no trucks are allowed over here, we're scooting along. That might be why. These folks on the right merging in from Panola Road. Coming next is Evans Mill, I-20 Industrial Boulevard exit. The New Birth exit. For our church, we got our own exit off the interstate. We need to get a sign on the interstate that says New Birth this way. Alright, let's see. Left lane closed a half mile ahead according to this sign on the left. So we just want to confirm it. Report back to Triple Team Traffic Headquarters because there's no cameras out here. The only cameras out on this side are on the overpass at Wesley Chapel and the overpass at Panola on the westbound side. And then up by Evans Mill up here, a little further up, there'll be a camera too. But most of the other interstates have enough cameras that we can see, you know, really what's going on, but it's very hard to see out here. So they tell us it's the left lane blocked up here. So when it is, we'll get on over. So we can see the fullness thereof. It's been 8 minutes now since 285. Since I left 285 on 20 East, 8 minutes to get past Panola towards Evans Mill, I-20 Industrial exit. Left lane closed in 1,000 feet. You'll get to see it here first. See it here first, ladies and gentlemen. You'll see it here first. All right. Uh-oh, people getting impatient up here. The horns are honking. Exit 74, I-20 Industrial Boulevard, Evans Mill. Alright, here's the truth teller right here. The arrow board has us getting over, so we're going to have to start getting over. Right about here. Thank you. Thanks. So there it is. Left lane closed. It's after Panola. So left lane closed from 285 to Wesley Chapel. And then after Panola to Evans Mill, I-20 Industrial Boulevard, exit 74. See how long this left lane is closed. Roll the windows up. have the big rig sounds anymore because we broke free from the backup. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So after Panola to exit 74, Lysonia Industrial. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 20 eastbound construction for Thursday, March 5th, 2026. I have no idea what's going on the 20 westbound side. I know it's very slow from approaching Panola to the Wesley Chapel to 285. But I couldn't quite tell what lanes they were in, if any. All right, that's your latest update. I'm Stallworth, 95.5 WSB. 225 WSB. All right, tune in for the latest updates with Smile Marvin K and also now Alex Williams all day. We're on 95.5 WSB and on WSBradio.com and the WSB Radio app. See ya.